this is Amy for Pierre with the J. Michael Manley team at Keller Williams, Greenville, Upstate. Welcome to 671 Grover Drive. Upon entering the home, spacious great room, which flows right into the dining room. An awesome feature of the great room is you have a fireplace. Open floor plan allows the great room to flow right into the dining room and into your kitchen, which has plenty of cabinets and counter space. Right off the kitchen, you have your laundry room, which leads into your 2-car garage. Also on the other side, right into your master bedroom. The beautiful master bedroom features an ensuite bathroom and a walk-in closet. This home features a split floor plan, so on the opposite side of the great room, you have your 2 bedrooms and a full bath. Outside you have your cute patio backyard that flows right back into your kitchen.